Good day everyone, I am Daniel Cabasa and in this video I'm going to uh, show you how to install web services. First, let's define what is IIS or ito yung web service na i-install natin mamaya. IIS is a flexible web server from Microsoft for Windows systems. So, galing siya sa Microsoft para sa mga Windows operating systems and yung capability niya or yung purpose niya is para ma-share yung mga information sa ibang users across sa isang network. Yung mga requested HTML pages is pwedeng i-share and pwedeng ma-access ng ibang users na connected sa isang network. So, ito naman yung tutorial kung paano i-install yung IIS or yung web service. So, una, Open Server Manager. Ito yung lalabas. Pwede nyo gawin yan by clicking the start menu here and then search for Server Manager. After that, go to Roles and click the Add Roles. After maklik yung Add Roles, ito yung lalabas. After nun, is i-click nyo yung Next and then makikita nyo to, i-click nyo yung web server, i-tick nyo yan kasi ayun yung i-install natin. And then after that, click Next and then click Next and makikita nyo dito yung install button and i-click nyo lang yan. After nun, wait for the installation and then after a while, ito yung lalabas dapat na naka-installed na siya and after nun, pwede nyo nang i-close yung wizard. And then after that, go to File Explorer and sa computer, i-click nyo yan. Makikita nyo yung local disk, i-click nyo rin yun. And then dito, pagkabukas ng local disk, makikita nyo si InNetPub. I-click nyo yan and then makikita nyo after nun, bagong lahat, i-click nyo yung InNetPub, mag-create kayo dyan ng web page na folder and that's it. For the purpose is mamaya ituturo ko. So, bago yun is pumunta muna kayo, click nyo tong start menu dito and then makikita nyo yung administrative tools and then after that, ma-click nyo yun, makikita nyo dito si Internet Information Services, IIS Manager. I-click nyo yan and then ito yung makikita ninyo pagka-click nyo. Bubukas yan and then dito sa gilid, makikita nyo tong Server 2008. So, ayan yung nakapangalan sa akin sa computer ko, administrator. Pero since baka sa inyo iba, pero ayan yung nandyan siya nakalocate. So, ayun yung i-click nyo and then sa baba nun, makikita nyo yung sites. Pindutin nyo rin yun and then dito sa may middle part, pinaka-content ng wizard, right-click nyo lang and then makikita nyo tong panibagong window na may add website. So, click nyo yun, yung add website and then ito yung lalabas. So, kailangan nyo lang fill upan yung mga information na kailangan. Itong halimbawa is site name and then physical path kung ayan yung dyan, ayan yung paglalagyan nung create nyo na folder kanina na web page. So, i-copy nyo lang yung path na create nyo kanina and then i-paste nyo dito sa physical path. And after that is dito sa baba sa may binding na part, may kita nyo tong type HTTP IP address. Ito is kailangan nyo ilagay 10.0.2.15, port is 80 and after that pwede nyo na itong i-leave as blank. Pwede nyo nang i-click yung OK. And then, this is the last step. Pwede nyo i-confirm by going to your browser. So, in my case is ginamit ko si Internet Explorer. I-search nyo yung localhost and then ito yung lalabas. So, after nun, ibig sabihin nun na na-install nyo yung Internet Information Services and successful yung ginawa natin kanina. So, that's all. Thank you so much and have a nice day.